So today, instead of just letting a single cab set around, we're going to start converting it into a flower truck to maybe sell long stem flowers out of for Mother's Day coming up, or some special occasion, or use it for a photo shoot instead of just letting it sit underneath the shed the whole time. So come with me and watch me begin to work. So we got boards, the buckets for the flowers, and just trying to figure out how to set this up so that it'll work. Hopefully get it right. So I'm going to put down some decking boards on the floor part that are treated, and we're going to stain the rest. So let's start off with that and try to figure this puzzle out. So we determined that we're going to do 8 buckets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to cut it off at 7 foot. So that'll be 16 buckets. I'm going to stair step the next one, but we're going to cut it off at 7 foot and go from there. Let's get cutting. And if you're wondering, there's my directions, and none of them make any sense. I don't even know what I wrote on that. So I went ahead and pre-drilled the holes, and as you can see, I'm using 1 5/8. Try to get this. Not bad. Oh, you can't see? Sorry about that. Let me fix it. This was not as easy as I thought it was going to be. We put a 1x4 on the front. We're going to put a 2x4 braces in the corners here to help hold the back on. And then we're going to have to figure out how to get the front held on with the facing. As you can see, it'll be something like that. So the problem I'm having is just figuring out the distance. I don't know. I mean, this looks easy and everything, but crap, it's way harder than what I thought it was going to be. And I did want to show you a bunch of me just sitting here drawing on a piece of paper, fiddling, trying to figure this crap out. So this is going to be like a really short video. Well, I screwed that up because I didn't count on the floor. Oh, God. Huh. So that's how it's going to be. I don't know how many we're going to use in the front. I think 8. And I made a little slot down here where I could put in and take out 2x4s if this was not going to be tall enough, until I can figure out the height they're going to need it. I mean, it might need to be a little bit higher. I have no clue yet till we start using it. So hopefully we can finish up the rest. We're going to put some more stuff at the back and the place to do the cutting of the paper to put around the flowers. So here it is, this part of the build. As you can see, we got room enough to build more stuff, but the flower pots area, whatever you want to call it, is in, but we got to order more and hopefully get it on the road soon and start selling some stuff out of it. But on another note, I do have a camping video I need to edit. Sorry, the holidays come up and then I'll be back out camping again. And hopefully not messing with this too much. I think I want to put factory wheels on it and do a little bit more stuff that needs to get done. But hopefully I'll be camping in a week. I'm hoping. But like and subscribe and see you around.